और अब खबरें विस्तार से। जम्मू कश्मीर के मुख्य सचिव अरुण मेहता ने जलवायु परिवर्तन पर एक कार्यशाला में शामिल हुए। क्लाइमेट चेंज एंड ग्रीन फाइनेंसिंग फॉर अ क्लाइमेट रेजिलिएंट एंड कार्बन न्यूट्रल JNK के विषय पर हुए इस कार्यशाला से संबोधित करते हुए मुख्य सचिव अरुण मेहता ने कहा कि जलवायु परिवर्तन एक समस्या है और हम इस चुनौती का सामना करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। हमें PM द्वारा निर्धारित लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त करना है। उन्होंने कहा कि हमें सरल और योग्य तरीके से पंचायतों के साथ संवाद करने की आवश्यकता है और इस वित्त कोई समस्या नहीं है।
What is important for JNK and absolutely important is adaptation. And adaptation has to be communicated in a manner which is simple and which connects with people. And this is very fundamental. And I'll give you one example. We had started a program called 6,600 ponds. And that was adaptation, to my mind. And then Amrit Sarovar was launched by Honorable Prime Minister last year. JNK was the first one to complete 75 Amrit Sarovars in the country, in each district. So we are the first. It's become a habit for JNK to be amongst the leaders. So we were the leaders. And at the moment, though we are only 1% of the population, we are third in the country in terms of absolute numbers. But in terms of what we have committed, we are on the total number of commitment, we are second. But in terms of completion of the objective, we are first. We did it well ahead of the timeline that was given to us. So that should encourage you, Professor Ravindranath. At this point of time, we do what we say, and we don't say what we do not intend to be doing. So that's a change that has happened. And very fundamentally, Amrit Sarovar is a good example of how do you adapt. Bringing moisture in areas which didn't have that level of moisture, it rejuvenates that area. Very simple but very effective technique of adaptation. Har ghar haryali, har gaon haryali, one beat, one guard. All these are parts of adaptation. When we say that bring in a convergence plan at the panchayat level every Monday, which meetings have started now, that's adaptation. Why do you need to adapt? Now, some of you might have known that some of the trees that you found at the lower heights have gone up. That's the first danger sign that you see that things are changing, which you need to be worried about. Then what do you do about it? Similarly, if animals which are not supposed to be coming down, if they start coming down, there is a problem that they're indicating. Now, that's something that who knows better than foresters?
सामा पुलिस ने पशु तस्करों के खिलाफ बड़ी कार्रवाई की है। बीती रात 4 अलग अलग जगहों पर की गई कार्रवाई में 11 तस्करों को पुलिस ने गिरफ्तार किया है, जिनमें 2 महिलाएं भी शामिल हैं। 50 मवेशियों को भी तस्करों के चंगुल से छुड़ाया गया है। पुलिस ने 5 ट्रकों को भी जब्त किया है। पुलिस ने मामला दर्ज कर कार्रवाई शुरू कर दी है। शिक्षा की गुणवत्ता पर श्रीनगर में शिक्षा